Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how can you promote your affiliate link at LinkedIn and Twitter perfectly. I think LinkedIn and Twitter are the top most social media in worldwide of the worldwide. You can get a lot of sales and you can earn money through this social media. So today I will share you about how can you set up and what you have to do and how can promote your link, how can promote your affiliate link or how can promote your CPA offers, anything promote at the LinkedIn and Twitter. So let me show you all the technique and tips. Okay, so first you have to go which product you want to promotion at this social media. I want to promote my Warrior Plus product. So let me go at Warrior Plus. I have approved at Warrior Plus in many products. So let me automate all the product. Let me promote product at the Twitter and LinkedIn. Here you will get a lot of traffic in a daily, and you will get a lot of sales here. I have to choose my product. You already see my total click is 24 and 6. Let me choose my product. Let me choose the product from the Warrior Plus. I want to promote receive cash good this offer. Okay, so here I will get my affiliate link and copy from here, and I have to short it. Otherwise, social media account will be banned. So nowadays they are taking all spam like that. So you have to short fast because social media count all the spamming. Okay, so don't do that. Just shorten from here, and you can upload from you can post at the LinkedIn or other here. So which this offer I will post here at my account. What is related about that? Let me see. Receive cash good. What is that? What it? So I have to choose a good title or thumbnail like that. Title or description.
I'm not going to waste a minute of your time here. Time is money.
Yeah, let me choose. You can choose this title. You can choose this title. Copy from here and paste here. After that, just paste here your link, okay? Which we sorted. Just copy from here and go to here. Just paste here. It will not take spam, okay? It will not take spam. Uh, you can get a lot of traffic from here. So, and you have to add some hashtag for each audience. So always remember that. Add hashtag. First, this you have to add this product hashtag. Its name is the product name is specific fresh food. Other is Warrior Plus. You can also add another hashtag money. Because of hashtag, you reach a lot of audience. So remember that always add hashtag. Okay, so always remember that. So all the hashtag done. Now we can post. So always remember the hashtag and short link. Otherwise, your account will be banned. So you can post. You can do the post. Yeah, it's already posted. So I think if we add an image, then it will also better. So our LinkedIn marketing like that. So just copy from the one lucrative title and paste you After link here and just add some hashtag. You'll get, if you have more connection or if you have more friends, and I think you'll get more sales from the LinkedIn, because now if anyone will start order plus earning related anything, your post will be appear online. So I think it's a good trick for earning money and got a very best sales people. So now this you posted here and just copy from this post again. Okay, you don't have to do any work extra. Just copy from here and go to your Twitter account. Go to Twitter account, post here. Go to your Facebook account, post here. Go to your Pinterest account, post here. So don't have to do anything. Just create one simple content and add your after link, and these all content will post in every places. Like many other social media, Reddit, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, everything, everywhere you can post you this short content. So I think you'll get more sales if you especially or if you follow my method daily. So go to here, this option here, post option, and test here. I don't have to do anything. Just what I'm doing, just copy from here and just paste. So it's very easy work. Just go there and take 30 minutes in every day. Just like that, you will do follow my method. I think you will get your basic money like 100 to 200 daily and per month 3,000 to 4,000 USD. Okay, and here you have to also add some hashtags. Its name is basic method. You can also add earning money. You can also add basic money. We can also add make money. So this hashtag will be very searchable hashtag. So that's why I use it very much. Work from home. Nowadays it's very popular. Work from home keywords. So our keywords all are done. Just now tweet here. Okay, done. If you don't forget to shorten your link, otherwise it account will be banned. I told you many times. Okay, just remember it always. So our post is ready and our post is already posted. So I think from this today, I think you will post and you will regularly post in social media, and I think you will get a lot of money here, and you can earn also passive earning from your side by side. So this video will help you a lot. So don't go the other subscribe my channel and always be set on me and always support me. Thank you very much for watching my video.